Next, let's talk about what's really important: coffee. And not just any coffee, barista-level perfection from the Breville Bambino Plus espresso machine. No more sad, watery drip coffee. No more waiting in absurdly long drive-through lines. This beauty heats up in 3 seconds and pulls a rich, creamy espresso shot that will make you question every overpriced latte you've ever bought. Next, you can't wake up and conquer the world if you're running on 3 hours of sleep. That's where the Oura Ring Gen 3 comes in. This tiny, sleek ring looks like a fashion statement, but it's actually a 24/7 wellness coach on your finger. It tracks your sleep, heart rate, and even how ready you are to take on the day. Did you wake up feeling like you got hit by a truck? Oura saw it coming and will nudge you to take it easy. Are you feeling like a superhero? Oura will confirm that, yes, today is your day to crush it. Next, the Theragun Prime Massage Gun. This thing is a wake-up call for your muscles. It punches out knots, boosts circulation, and gives you the kind of deep tissue relief that usually requires an expensive spa visit. And yes, it's whisper quiet, so you won't sound like you're operating heavy machinery before breakfast. Next, the Hatch Restore 2 is basically the morning routine upgrade you didn't know you needed. Instead of blaring beeps that make you want to throw your phone across the room, this smart clock gently wakes you up with a slow sunrise. It's like nature's way of saying, hey, it's time to wake up. Bonus: it also doubles as a white noise machine to help you fall asleep in the first place. So yeah, it's basically sleep magic. And finally, let's talk about that last crucial part of the morning: your coffee. Again. But this time, we're making sure it stays hot. Meet the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. It keeps your coffee at your ideal drinking temperature for over an hour. Whether you're answering emails, getting ready, or just forgetting where you put your mug, Ember ensures that every sip is as warm and satisfying as the first. And there you have it. Whether you need better sleep, better coffee, better hair, or just a better way to start your day, these 6 products have you covered. See the description for links for the featured products. Thanks for watching.